Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing a couple unboxings. This first one is a Samsung Trance that I ordered off eBay. It was $10. And it did come with a charger. I didn't actually think it did, but it did. That should be it. So here it is. It's in pretty good shape, I would say. The battery's definitely swollen, which really isn't surprising. I might have a Samsung battery to put in it, but we'll see. She's pretty bulged up, but you see, it seems to be in pretty good shape. I'll do a separate video on, the actual boots up and stuff like that. Did come with an OEM Samsung charger, which is pretty nice. I guess we can see this battery has any kind of charge in it. Yeah, I think so. Let me see if I have a battery. Let me actually see if we can turn it on. So guys, I don't actually have a battery. That's exactly this one. But in the other video I do, when I do the review of it, I will charge this up and then we'll take a look at it then. But there's the quick little unboxing of it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.